Hi everyone, we are going to make a ladybug, and for this lesson these are the things that you need. And I'm going to start with this cardboard roll from the inside of what toilet paper comes on, so it's a toilet paper roll. And this black piece of paper is 4 inches by 6 inches, so that's how long it is. So if you don't have a paper that's 4 by 6, then you need to cut it. But if it already is cut like that, then you're good to go. Alright, now the first thing we're going to do is get our black paper onto our toilet paper roll so it looks more like a black cylinder versus a brown one. So you're just going to take your glue stick on your 4 by 6 and turn it into a sticker by gluing. Okay. Then put my cap back on so I don't lose it. And then we're just going to roll it on there. Like so. My table's kind of dirty, so my ladybug's kind of dirty. So sorry I have a dirty ladybug. Okay, the kids used clay at this table today. Alrighty, now we need the wings. So for this, I have a small red piece of paper. And you can use a pencil, but I'm just going to use a crayon so you can see it better. But we're going to make 2 wings. So you're going to do a capital D, uppercase D. Will you give me some scissors? Will you give me some scissors? In the blue box over there. Alright, and then that's one of them. And on the other side, we're going to flip our paper and do another uppercase D. Now, ladybugs have black dots on them, so you can either use a black crayon or a black colored pencil or a black Sharpie, or I'm going to use a black oil pastel. Thank you. We also need scissors. Or a black oil pastel. And these come in a couple different things. So this is a good brand of oil pastels. And this is also a good brand of oil pastels that I like to use in my classroom. And this little guy came from one of these packages, I think. So you can do however many circles you want on your ladybug. They can be little or big. Yeah. Yeah, and we're going to put these on here when we're all done with them.
Are we going to put them like that on?
Well, these are going to be the little antennas.
So we're going to put it where it's sticking out or just on?
Yeah, we're going to have the antenna sticking out. Alright, and then I'm just putting my dots over here. And you just take your time. And
Are we going to put those on it?
yeah, we're going to put these wings on there. So it looks like it's flying.
Is it going to stick out too?
Yeah, they're going to stick out a little. Okay, so oil pastels are a little messy. As you can see, I kind of got some on my hands, but that's okay. Alrighty, now you're just going to cut this out. And if you have not finished your circles, just pause the video until you're all caught up. Yeah. And then when you're ready, you can cut out your ladybug wings.
I've never seen any crayon. It gets on your hands.
Yeah, well, these are oil pastels, so they do get on your hands. They're a little different than crayons. If you don't like to get messy, then maybe use the crayons. Right. Okay.
Are you going to wash your hands after that?
Yeah, I'm going to wash my hands after.
Are you going to let kids when they get done with it?
Yeah. Alrighty, so we got our wings here, and we're going to put them onto our ladybug. So we're going to like have one here. Yeah, we're going to use a glue stick, and one here. Like that. Alright, so let's get our glue stick and pick where we want. I like to have the line in the back so you don't really see it.
I like it to have a little bit on.
Yeah, so we're just going to glue where you want to stick, like a little circle, where you want to stick the first wing. Alright, that's good. And then we're just going to put the corner of it on here.
Let me go see.
And then we're going to do the other. So I want to put the other little D over here. Other wing. Okie dokie. There we go. Alright, so it's starting to look like a ladybug. Now, I also brought out a, oh, let me close this. Okay. Now, for the eyeballs, again, so same thing like the wings. You can either use a white crayon or a white oil pastel. This oil pastel came from this box here. Okay, so, oh no! Okay, so for the eyes, you're just going to do, wherever you want your eyeballs, we're going to put them up here for me. A white circle. You can use a crayon for this. The white.
Nope.
And then the black. So you can use the crayon or the oil pastel.
I keep getting some stuff in my brain. Okay.
There. So there's your little eyeballs. And the last thing is, and you don't have to do this, but if you have like little black lines laying around, some extra paper, then you can glue them on the inside here. So what you do is you get your glue stick, and you know, you really want to get a scrap piece of paper and put it down before you glue the end, because you don't want to be using your glue stick and then get glue on the table. But we're going to recycle this anyway, so if we get a little glue on this, it's okay.
Yeah. Do you want me to clean the tables after this?
Yeah. And then with the glue side, the sticky side facing up, we're just going to stick it in there. See how I put it in there?
Can I do this
You
one?
want to do that one? Yeah. And then I'm just kind of pushing it in there. See? Alright, now he's going to do that one. Yeah, come on over. There you go. So we'll do the next one for you. So glue that, just the end. Alright, and you're going to stick it in. Sticky side up. Yep, there you go. And then press it in there.
My dad's coming.
Yeah. And just like that. And now you have a ladybug. If you want it, let's do a smile. Oh no! That's okay.
Can I do the smile too?
You want to do a little smile? Alright. I like to use the crayon for a smile just because my crayon's a little sharper. Yeah. Oh, that's cute. Alrighty. So there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed this lesson. Bye.